Today I'm starting a new video series chronicling my new garage. Part 1 will be garage location, type, permit process, and technical drawings. If you have been following my videos since the beginning, you will have noticed that I have moved to a new house. I miss having the 3-car garage that the old one had. Unfortunately, the new house does not have a garage. So my videos have mostly been out on one of my driveways. The new house was built in 1976 with an addition in 1993. Just before we bought it, the house was completely renovated with new electrical, HVAC, plumbing, and reconfigured rooms and bathrooms, and also a new roof. When we first moved in, I charged my car on the right side of the house, as seen in this photo. A few months after, I had a loop driveway poured that is in the front of the house. This makes parking in the winter easier if things ice up, and it's also a good place for guests to park. And it's mostly now where I park my car to charge. The rear of the house is the only place I could build a new garage. There is a parking pad in the back that works out best for this location. As you can see, I have a very long driveway on the left side of the house. It goes all the way from the road up the hill to the top where the house is located, and then down towards the back where the parking pad is. I started the process for getting a garage built last June. I looked at a number of different garage builders in my area. I had the choice of building a metal garage or a wood frame garage. After much deliberation, I went with the wood frame garage. It will match my existing house better. It will use a hardy plank exterior that's the same as the rear of my house, and it will have brick, which is similar to the rest of my house. I will also get the same pewter gray asphalt shingles as the house. In August, I got a final quote from a builder, and I also had to get a lot survey done to update my new patio, front loop driveway, and walkway that I had added during the year. My builder finished the design and engineering for the garage in October and started the permit process with the City of Raleigh in late November. Due to environmental rain impervious requirements, I had to remove some existing portions of the driveway on the right side of the house that isn't being used anymore. Otherwise, I'd be over the specified impervious percentage with this project. Here are some quick specifications. It will have concrete footings, concrete block and brick foundation. The dimensions are 24 feet wide by 22 feet deep, and the ceiling height will be 9 feet. The average building height will be 16 feet. The exterior will be hardy plank siding, and it will have an asphalt roof. The double garage door will be 16 feet wide. It will also include 2 windows and 1 side entry door. The remainder of this video will show you a walk around of where the garage is going to be located in the backyard. I won't go over all the detail, but the permit process took quite a long time to complete. There were issues with the slope of the backyard, city restrictions on building height, setback limits, etc. I'll go over this in the next video. The next video will cover the preparation for construction, including pinning the corners, removing trees, and excavation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.